Why is nature filled with beauty? When we look at the city, it can feel a little suffocating. Colorless buildings stand close together, and their shapes are all square and rigid. On the roads, cars are tangled and move slowly, and even a small break in the rules quickly creates confusion. But when we step into nature, the atmosphere changes. For no clear reason, our heart relaxes, and even without any explanation, the words, "Ah, it is beautiful," come out first. Why does nature feel so beautiful? The beauty of nature can be understood in two ways. One is visible form, symmetry and fractals. The other is the invisible laws that support those forms, homeostasis and diversity. When we look at a butterfly's wings, the left and right sides match. And when we look closely at a beehive and a snowflake, hexagons repeat. The stripes of a tiger and a zebra, and even the structure of our bodies, hide symmetry. There are many kinds of symmetry. There is reflective symmetry that overlaps perfectly when folded in half, rotational symmetry that stays the same when turned, and radial symmetry that spreads in many directions, like jellyfish or sea anemones. Then why does nature use symmetry and fractals so often? The reason is simple. It is because they are efficient. Imagine that we are drawing a butterfly. If we draw the left wing and the right wing separately, it takes time and a lot of effort. But if we draw only half and then fold and unfold the paper, perfect symmetry appears all at once. Fractals follow the same principle. With just one very simple rule repeated endlessly, the result becomes amazingly complex and rich. If we attach small triangles to each side of an equilateral triangle, a Coke snowflake is formed. And if we divide an equilateral triangle into 4 pieces and keep removing the center, a Sierpinski gasket appears. Inside this fractal structure, creation and extinction exist at the same time. The same form repeats, but it is never exactly the same each time. So we can look at it for a long time without getting bored. People feel secure in what is familiar. In contrast, change brings anxiety and tension. When we visit a city in a foreign country, our bodies tense up at first because everything is unfamiliar. But it is different when we face the countryside of another country. Even though it is a scene we have never seen before, sometimes it feels as if we have known it for a long time. That is because symmetry and fractals are woven into nature. Another power that makes nature beautiful is homeostasis. It is the tendency to keep its state steady even when the outside environment changes. Even when nature is shaken, it eventually finds balance again. So to our eyes, nature seems much the same all the time. People are also part of nature. When it is hot, we sweat, and when it is cold, we shiver and protect our body temperature. Maintaining blood pressure and blood sugar are all forms of homeostasis. When homeostasis breaks down, just as people become sick, nature also becomes sick. Rotting trees, polluted water, and ruined land no longer look beautiful. The final reason that nature is beautiful is diversity. Every time the seasons change, nature shows a completely different face. Plants change the color of their leaves, bloom, and bear fruit. Animals move to places where they can live well, to find food and reproduce. There are also migratory birds that come from different regions each season. It is not like flashy fireworks, but within the diversity of nature, there is a quiet, deep peace. The standard of beauty can be different for each person and each time. Even so, many people taking nature as the standard of beauty seems to have a good reason. Nature sometimes looks like the oldest designer, and sometimes it even feels like a very precise mathematician. If your heart feels a little heavy today in a forest of square buildings, lift your head for a moment and look at a tree and a piece of cloud.